Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Kaizer Chiefs reaches an agreement to sign Nkanyiso Shinga and closing in on the signing of Siphelile Ndlovu. We are going to talk about that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So, according to Fapos, Kaizer Chiefs are set to sign Nkanyiso Shinga. The report says Kaizer Chiefs have reached an agreement with FC Alverca to sign Nkanyiso Shinga. The transfer is pending a medical examination and the finalization of personal terms. Nkanyiso Shinga is a left back, 25 years of age. He has played in Portugal throughout his whole entire career. He hails from the KZN Academy, which has produced the likes of Chabo Cele, Siphelile Chole, and many others. So I'm not familiar with his game. You are not familiar with his game, so I can't sit here and say this is a good signing, this is not a good signing, But if you ask me, I think he is a quality player, and he's coming for free. He's coming for free, but his team wanted to keep him, as they won promotion to the Portuguese top flight league. So Alverca did want to renew his contract, but he chose to join Kaizer Chiefs. So for me, if you can play in the Portuguese top flight league, you can obviously play for Kaizer Chiefs. You can obviously play in the Betway Premiership. So if you ask me, yes, I think he is a good player. But what worries me here is it seems like we are too focused on that left back position. Now that we are adding Shinga, it means we are going to add 3 left backs, possibly. Marco is a done deal. Shinga seems like a done deal. So for me, if you ask me right now, I don't think we will sign Aphiwe Paliti. I don't think so. And Paliti was reportedly the first left back we signed, or should I say we were closing in. But recently, I've heard no stories, I've heard nothing on Aphiwe Paliti. So I think he's not coming to Kaizer Chiefs, and I don't think it would make sense to bring in 3 left backs in one window. Yes, we need to strengthen that position, but 3 left backs in one window would be mad business. We already have Happy Mashiane there. That would leave us with 4 left backs. So I don't think Paliti will be joining Kaizer Chiefs, but let's keep a close eye on that one. So Nkanyiso Shinga to Kaizer Chiefs is almost a done deal. Medicals will take place probably next week. I think he will join the rest of the squad in the preseason in Netherlands. Now let's move to the second story, which involves Siphelile Ndlovu. This is according to SABC Sport, written by Mazola Mlefe. So it says, according to information gathered by the public broadcaster, the 2 parties, Kaizer Chiefs and SuperSport United, are now in advanced stages of negotiations, and pending final details, Ndlovu could be very well be joining another Soweto giant since leaving Pirates in 2022. So this simply means Kaizer Chiefs are set to sign Siphelile Ndlovu from SuperSport United, and it's not going to be a free transfer, as SuperSport United exercised their 1-year option in Ndlovu's deal. So Kaizer Chiefs will have to pay. So the deal is very close. We've already spoke about Siphelile Ndlovu. Do I think he's a good player? Absolutely. Do I think he's better than some of our current midfielders? Yes. But would I sign Siphelile Ndlovu at this day and age? No. Yes, he had a great season, I have to say. He won 4 Man of the Match awards, which is the second most in the league. Played 27 games. Was arguably SuperSport United's best player, despite them having a terrible season. I think he was the most standout player. He won the Young Player of the season in 2017-2018 season. Also won the Midfielder of the season in the 2017-2018 season. You heard that? That was back in 2018, mate. Before he joined Orlando Pirates, we were supposed to sign him after that season. When he was at his peak, we didn't. He joined Orlando Pirates, and it didn't work out at Orlando Pirates. He flopped and only had one great season at SuperSport United. Now we are bringing him in. And I'm worried, mate, about this transfer window. I'm very worried about how we do things. It's like we wake up and say, yo, who's available now? Who are we going to sign? Who and who is available where and where? Oh, yeah, let's go sign him. It's like there's no plan. Most of our signings, in fact, all of our signings were never in our plans. Percy Ndlovu was never on Kaizer Chiefs plans. Same as Paseka Marco, same as Munyane, same as Ikodaro, same as Priestlet. So, mate, I think we should be worried. I just hope the technical team and the management knows what they are doing. Because for me, this is not the transfer window we hoped for. This is not the transfer window they promised us. But hey, as some of you say, yeah, let's trust the management. The management knows what they are doing. It's fine. Let's see what happens in the upcoming season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.